Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in pre-workout. To begin, understand that caffeine is a powerful stimulant that can significantly enhance your exercise performance. We will guide you through safely integrating coffee into your pre-workout routine. This blend can boost your energy and focus, helping you achieve better results in your training sessions. Get ready to elevate your workout experience with this easy guide. When preparing your coffee pre-workout, ingredient selection is key. First, choose your favorite coffee. A strong brew like espresso or a standard drip coffee works well. Next, select a pre-workout supplement that complements your fitness objectives. It is crucial to check the caffeine content in both your coffee and pre-workout to ensure you do not exceed a safe amount. Aim for a total caffeine intake between 150 to 300 milligrams for optimal results. Now, let's get to the simple preparation. First, brew your coffee as you normally would, then allow it to cool down to at least room temperature. This prevents any degradation of the pre-workout ingredients. Next, mix your pre-workout powder with the amount of water specified on its label. Finally, carefully combine the cooled coffee with your prepared pre-workout mixture. Stir thoroughly until everything is fully dissolved and blended. For optimal results, timing is everything. Consume your coffee pre-workout blend approximately 30 to 60 minutes before you begin your exercise session. This allows sufficient time for the ingredients to take effect. Always pay close attention to how your body responds. You may need to adjust the dosage of either component. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout your workout to support performance and recovery. Enjoy your energized training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.